In this video, we will discuss about class 10 mathematics chapter 5 arithmetic progression. Next exercise 5.2 from NCERT book. So let us begin. First of all, I'd like to request you to subscribe to my channel. Let us start. First question. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is common difference and AN the nth term of the AB. So these are the parts. In first part, let us see. First part, A is given 7, D is 3, N is 8 and AN we have to find. Similarly, in second part, A is given, D we have to find, N and AN are given. In third part, we have to find A, D, N and AN are given. Fourth part, A, D are given, AN is given, N we have to find. And in fifth part, A is given, D is given, N is given and we have to find AN. So only one formula is applicable on all the parts and that formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. सिर्फ एक ही फॉर्मूला है जो सब पे लगेगा. ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. पार्ट 1, A is equal to 7, D is 3, N is 8 and AN we have to find. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. जो वैल्यू गिवन है उनको हम पुट करेंगे. सो AN is equal to A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D. 8 minus 1 into D is 3. So 7 plus 7 into 3, 7 plus 21, it is equal to 28. So AN is equal to 28. Part 2, A is given minus 18, N is 10, AN is 0 and D we have to find. Again same formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 0, it was given. A minus 18 plus N is 10 minus 1 into D. So 9D, this minus 18 will go that side, it will become positive. ये minus 18 इधर आके positive हो गया. So 9D is equal to 18 and this 9 will go that side, it will go in division. So D is equal to 18 by 9 is equal to 2. So the common difference is 2. Then part 3, given that D is equal to minus 3, N is equal to 18, AN is equal to minus 5 and we have to find A. So again same formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 into D minus 3. So it is minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to A, 17 into minus 3 multiply, it will become minus 51. Now this minus 51 will go that side, it will become positive. So A is equal to 51 minus 5 is equal to 46. So A is equal to 46. This will be the answer. Part 4. A is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. AN is equal to 3.6 and N we have to find. Now again we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN we know 3.6 is equal to A minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 2.5. Now this 18.9 will go that side, it will become positive. So 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1 into D is 2.5. Now if we add them, then we get 22.5 is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. This 2.5 will go that side, it will go in division. So n minus 1 is equal to 22.5 upon 2.5. When we cancel it, so we get 9. N minus 1 is equal to 9. And this 1 will go that side, it will become positive. So 9 plus 1, n is equal to 10. So our answer is n is equal to 10. Then part 5. Part 5 we have a is equal to 3.5. D is equal to 0, n is equal to 105, and an we have to find. Again same formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into d is 0 into 0. So anything multiplied to 0, कोई भी चीज अगर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई होगी तो 0 बन जाएगी, तो ये वाली पूरी टर्म 0 हो गई. सो an is equal to 3.5. So an is equal to 3.5. This will be our answer.